This is like a small detour. He's vlog shaming me. I'm planning to go to another beach. Well, that was a fail, guys. Definitely worth the walk. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another vlog where I'm showing you another part of Goa. I really tried to frame that sentence so hard, but it's so early in the morning. I woke up at 8:30, but I think it'll be all worth it. Today we are going to Cabo De Rama fort in Goa. I'm hoping through all these vlogs I can show you guys a little bit of Goa and bring Goa to you at home, because I know during tough times like this it's not advisable to get out, even for me, but I am taking the risk only because I do know that there's a lot of social distancing that is taking place in Goa currently. So as long as you take the necessary precautions, I think you should be good. So my friend Prasad is right now in Goa and he's here for a week. And so I thought, since he wants to see a lot of Goa, I'll take you guys along with me. So welcome to this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Stay till the end of the video, and yeah, I'll show you a little bit of Cabo De Rama. Don't forget to wear a mask. Do you guys like my new mask? The only problem with this is that it keeps falling down and it's so annoying. But see, as I said, but always wear your masks and stay safe. Yeah, cool. I'm waiting for my friend Prasad. Once he's here, we will take his bike. Oh, also if you're wondering why I don't have my bike, it's because my dad took it to work. So I have to ride with him.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times.
Okay guys, so we're currently at Holy Cross Chapel in Betul. We have like a miracle cross here as well, which is amazing, and the view from this point is the best view ever. This is like a small detour before we go to the actual fort. I'll see you guys in some time.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me.
Okay, so we reached Cabo De Rama viewpoint. This is the cliff viewpoint, as you can see in my background. He's vlog shaming me. This is the viewpoint. It's beautiful. They have like cottages around there. They have cottages there where people can stay. I don't think it's functioning right now, but yeah, we have reached the viewpoint. It's beautiful. I'll show you guys a little bit more. Come on, Dad. Okay guys, so I'm actually currently back home. I just reached back. We did not end up going to the fort that I mentioned. I will take you guys there sometime soon as well. But we did go to the cliff view of the same fort because we were running out of time. But now I'm back home and I'm planning to go to another beach. Let's see. Let me tell you guys a little bit about this beach. This beach is actually called the Betul Beach, I want to say, or actually Mabor Beach. The name kind of differs from place to place. There's no particular name of this beach because it's so secluded, in the sense that the beach, not anyone's going to be there, and I think that's why this beach is so perfect for anyone who's going to watch this vlog. And if you plan to visit Goa, if you plan to visit South Goa, make sure to definitely go visit this beach. What is so special about this beach? Let me enlighten you. So this beach is literally in between the river Sal and the sea right beside it. So you actually have the beach in between, and you get to see the meeting point of where the river meets the ocean. or sea meets the sea. Now, to many people, that's probably not intriguing at all, but I find it so fascinating to see two different worlds collide, and I think it's a beautiful thing. It's kind of like a metaphor in our lives of how the calm of the river meets the waves of the sea, and how there's always this one midpoint of serenity. Come back. Yeah, let's just go. Well, that was a fail, guys. The beach is closed, but I will show you guys where the river is. Okay guys, since that attempt failed really badly, I decided to come to another beach that's very close by. It's called the Lila Beach, which is also in the same stretch. So as soon as you reach here, this is Lila Beach, and this happens to be the same stretch that when you walk ahead, you'll actually reach the end of the same place that I was talking about, where the ocean meets the yada yada yada. You know what I'm talking about. Let's try to go there. I'm definitely not on my A game today because I actually forgot to take the monster from my scooty. I got it for this beach specifically and I just forget it.
Much later.
Okay guys, I honestly cannot believe it, but I somehow made it. Got very tan, but I think it is worth it because I actually can see it right in front of me. It is so weird to see how calm the waters are here, right next to the waves. I think it's insane and it's amazing. To the people who actually find this stuff interesting, if you are in South Goa, have to visit this place. Of course, that area was closed, but if you walk from Lila Beach, it's quite a walk. I would suggest coming in the evening, but nevertheless, please do come. Guys, that's the river. That's where the meeting point is. And that's literally the sea. That's freaking amazing. Notice how this boat is like in the river, but this is literally the meeting point. Look at how calm the waters are at this place. I love it. Definitely worth the walk, except for the heat of course, but the water here, guys.
Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
That, by the way guys, right there is where we were. Okay guys, I'm gonna head back now. I have been burnt enough. My monster's almost over, and I haven't had my lunch, so I'm gonna walk back. I'll see you guys once I am either at the scooty or home. Let's see, whatever works. Okay guys, I'm sorry for how I look right now. It's been a very sweaty day. Anyway, that's it for this video guys. I'm gonna sign off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.